Opening your premium custody account is easy. We're here to give you a step-by-step walkthrough to help you get started. If you're new to iTrustCapital, you'll need to create an iTrustCapital account before opening your premium custody account. Creating an account is simple and easy. Check out our Getting Started video to learn how. From your dashboard, select Open Account from the top of your page, or click on Premium Custody below. On the following page, check the box to agree to the terms of service, then click the green button to proceed. Next, select the funding source that's right for you.
If you choose to fund your account via ACH or electronic debit, the maximum daily transfer amount is limited to $25,000.
If you choose to fund via bank wire or crypto deposit, your transfer amount is unlimited. Depending on which method you choose, you'll need to input any relevant information. Select Submit to continue. Here, you will need to review and agree to the Premium Custody Account Agreement. Check the box and click the green button to proceed. Congratulations! Your Premium Custody account is now open. Need more assistance? You can contact our client experience team by submitting a support request or calling us directly via the link in the description below.